All right, I'll first introduce about Astron Institute of International Studies, Gurgaon. As we are all aware, we're an academic vertical of the Astron Hospital and Healthcare Consult. Our talented IELTS trainer, Miss Survi Chopra. She's a CELTA trainer herself, and she is a certified CELTA trainer, and she has experience of around 8 years of teaching, which is commendable, Survi. And I mean, she's taken out students with the best of the bands. I've seen her TRFs, I've seen the kind of testimonial she has got for herself, and truly impressed by that. Would like to hand over to Surbi to take over the webinar from here. Over to you, Surbi.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. So now I'll be sharing a few very frequently asked questions with you.
This is something which we have been hearing for past 2 years, this COVID-19 pandemic. I mean, a situation which I don't know when it is going to end. So what kind of precautions are being taken in the wave of the pandemic? Should you think that students should keep in mind, and students listen to this very carefully, because you people are going to go and give the examination pretty soon. So for you to able to, give the exam smoothly and keep your safety also at priority, I think these are really important for us.
Absolutely. And keeping the importance and the, and keeping everything in mind, IDP has also started taking many precautions when they started up with the exam again.
Absolutely.
The very first thing is that social distancing is being practiced thoroughly at the examination centers. So the exams previously used to be held in only one slot, but now they have been divided up into 2 different slots. So one is early in the morning, and after that one winds up. The second one in the afternoon takes place, which is actually very great when we keep in view that social distancing needs to be practiced. Apart from that, while booking your exam, once when you get the details, students are also asked to fill a form so as to they can make sure that, nobody has been in contact of a COVID patient recently, or maybe a traveler who has gone abroad or anything of that kind, so that everybody near them is safeguarded. Absolutely. So yes, the precautions are something that IDP is following through and through.
That's great. So I think keeping that in mind, we should not be scared. We should not be, depressed by this time. Then what will happen if we guys get caught due to, some of the other, things? We need to be very sure. We need to be safe ourselves. So I think one suggestion I would like to give is you people can carry a small bottle of sanitizer, and probably you can also carry a mask with you. I'm sure there will be a kit of sanitization which will be provided to you once you enter the examination hall. But from the time that you step out of your car till you enter the hall, there's a lot of things that you cross through, you touch through. So it's always better to keep sanitizing your hands at this point of time. So I think that's all.
Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. It was really nice talking to you. And we are looking forward to have you with us very soon in the classes as well.